You know that feeling when you're looking for sounds, when you click play or press a button on the keyboard and you almost have to stop what you're doing? When you get this deep, visceral, emotional response, almost like, whoa. That's what this does. Its name is Density by Mammoth Audio, and it's great for music producers, sound designers, but also film and trailer composers. I mean, just look at the credits from the guys who made this thing. They asked me to take a look, and I said, well, only if I like it. I'll feature it on the channel if I think it's worth it. So the fact this video exists is proof right there. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of my favorite sounds from the pack, as well as, of course, how it all works. Let's dive in. Both a contact instrument and a collection of WAVs, so you can work in whichever way you prefer. In any DAW, of course. Each hand playing a different type of sound. Let me show you that. Here, for example, we can make the left hand play a drone, and the right hand, for example, playing a metal transition. So playing two banks of sounds at once. Marvellous. I do like that one. I like all of them. In fact, all the sounds you hear, I very much like. For the cheer straight out the video camera. Zero editing in post. Oh, and sometimes you have to just hide under the desk. It's the only place that's safe. And you get some dry sounds too, like these. Lots of fun. Great if you're a sound designer and want to make your own sounds. They give you the raw ingredients. Over 1,500 one-shots and 3 playable instruments. With interesting articulations. And some even loop. Should point out this works with any keyboard at all. You don't need this big fancy one. And you can play multiple notes from each bank, of course, as you've seen. Oh, those metal sounds, visceral, so good. In the contact instrument, you got all your normal controls, ADSR, distortion. You can also re-pitch the sounds. And you can add effects, reverb, and so on, all the normal stuff from a collection of sound designers with all these amazing credits. Check that out. It's a special one. I mean, they even recorded a 1730s Venetian cello to make this thing. It's a special thing. It's something else. It just gives me that deep, visceral, emotional response. In fact, I think I know partly why. I think it's a combination of the human and the electronic. So it's got the humanness, which we connect to, but that electronic processing and weight, which just... Whew. We'll of course be linked below to both the digital version and the premium boxed version, 30% discount for students. And there's also a competition to win one of these premium versions. Link below for that. And they give away free sample packs every month, as well as posting weekly tutorials. Both can be obtained by signing up as a member for free on the website. My name is Multiplier. Catch you in the next one.